We're expecting a big storm this weekend, and that calls for comfort food. And what I am going to be making tomorrow is one of the easiest recipes I know. It's 3 ingredients. We have beef stew meat, Campbell's cream of chicken soup, Campbell's cream of mushroom soup. You put the meat in the crock pot, you pour the soup on top, stir it together, put the top on, and cook it on low for 6 to 8 hours. It's one of the easiest meals I know. It used to be a frugal meal, but with the prices of beef now, it's not as expensive as some because you're using a relatively cheap cut. But what used to be a relatively cheap cut is now about $7.99 a pound. I want to talk about the meat just for a minute that I'm using here. I'm using chuck, which is a tough meat from the cow that needs to be cooked for a long time to soften. It has a fair amount of fat and it's chewy, so it's a long and slow cooking. Some people advertise round steak as stew because it's leaner, which isn't really a good idea unless somehow you're going to cook the stew really quickly, because the lean meat doesn't have enough fat to hold up to the long cooking and still have taste. So no matter how long you cook it, it's going to be stringy and dry. So make sure you look for the chuck, which is going to be one of the cheaper cuts of meat. The other thing I'm mentioning is with the fact that we're just putting on the soup. We're not adding any vegetables to it. We're not doing any chopping. It'll take you about 3 minutes to get together, including opening the cans and setting the time on the crock pot. And then it just sits on the counter, cooks all day. The house smells great. And I serve it over noodles with a green vegetable. I think we're probably going to do baby broccoli tomorrow when we have this. This is my winter recommendation to get through the storm. When you come back in after shoveling and cleaning up the snow, you're going to have a hot meal just waiting for you in the crock pot that only took you minutes to put together. To get started, we're going to use 3 pounds of beef chuck cut for stew. If you only have 2, that's fine. You'll just have more sauce. But you want 2 to 3 pounds. It's cut in about 1.5 inch cubes. If you don't get it pre-cut from the store and you want to slice up a chuck pot roast, you can do that as well. So we're going to take the meat and put it in the pot. Some of this had been frozen, and you definitely do not want to start anything frozen in the crock pot because it will not thaw quickly. The crock pot doesn't get hot enough to thaw it. So thaw it first. If it's still a little hard the way this one is, that's fine. As long as it separates into cubes and it's mostly soft, that's fine. You do not want to put a solid frozen chunk of meat in the crock pot because you could wind up with food poisoning problems. So we have the meat in, and then we're going to add the soup. We're going to add a can of cream of mushroom soup. Then we're going to add a can of cream of chicken soup. And I am going to mix it up. Just get it thoroughly mixed because we're really not going to be opening this to mix it after we get it started. So that's it. You mix the soup all over the meat. It is about 10 o'clock in the morning, and I'm looking to have this done at about 5 o'clock for dinner. I will serve it along with wide egg noodles, so they will pick up all the sauce.
Here's the stew after 7 hours on low. Enjoy.